Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate on Google Pay for card payments in the USA. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate on Google Pay for card payments in the USA, start by ensuring you have the Google Pay app installed on your smartphone. Open the Google Pay app. If you haven't signed in yet, enter your Google account credentials to log in. Once you're signed in, tap on the payment option located in the bottom menu. Next, if you haven't already added your debit or credit card, tap on Add a Payment Method. You will be prompted to scan your card using your device's camera or enter the details manually. After entering the card information, tap Save to store your payment method. Once your card is added, Google Pay will verify your card through your bank. You might receive a verification code via SMS or email, depending on your bank's security protocols. Enter the verification code in the app to authenticate your card. Now, tap on Settings in the Google Pay menu. Here, ensure that Allow Access to Payment is enabled for seamless transactions. You can also set up biometric authentication like fingerprint or facial recognition for added security. To do this, go to your device's settings and navigate to Security or Biometrics. Enable fingerprint or facial recognition if it's not already activated. Return to the Google Pay app and try making a small transaction to test the authentication process. Select your payment method when prompted at checkout. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the transaction, either using your fingerprint or by entering your PIN. Once the payment processes, you will receive a confirmation notification. You are now set to make secure card payments using Google Pay in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.